I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make strawberry gelato. Start by macerating 500 g strawberries with 50 g sugar and warm 500 ml milk with 200 ml cream until fragrant, then temper egg yolks and cook to a custard thickness. Cool quickly, blend with pureed berries, and chill fully before churning for a dense, creamy gelato. Begin with the strawberries. Hull and quarter them, then toss with sugar and let sit to release juices and soften. Puree most of the fruit while leaving a few small pieces for texture. Combine the puree with a little lemon juice to brighten flavor, then set aside while you prepare the custard base so the flavors meld perfectly. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like if you are finding the video helpful. Quick recommendation. The Kindle Paperwhite is perfect for reading recipe ideas while you wait for your gelato to set, with a glare-free screen and long battery life that makes kitchen waiting more pleasant. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Warm the dairy carefully and temper the yolks to avoid scrambling, then cook until the custard coats a spoon. Strain the custard, mix in the strawberry puree, and cool rapidly in an ice bath to stop cooking. After refrigeration, churn according to your machine's directions until dense, then transfer to a shallow container and freeze to set for best scoopable gelato texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.